This is the MMS 100 Midterm Reflection Vlog! Hello you of the Philippines and hello Open University! Hi, I'm Julian Bulanadi from the Rice Granary of the Philippines, Nueva Ecija. I'm 18 years old and I'm currently studying here at the UPOU, taking the first year of Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia Studies. I see myself as an artistic and a creative person, with many passions, two of them being music and the arts. These passions allows me to express emotion, ideas, and my inner world. When combined, they create a kind of magic that I can explore and apply here in BAMS. Now let's move on to my major learning experience and insights. I discovered that I can learn on my own, understanding concepts, analyzing and applying them in my everyday life. I've also grown as a person who is determined to learn and also realized that exploring and experimenting with new concepts, especially concepts in multimedia, enhances both my understanding and creativity. Here are some of the concepts and skills that I've gained. Media and multimedia. I've learned the difference between media and multimedia. Media is a single form or channel of communication, while multimedia is a combination of two or more types of media. Multimedia often merges video, text, audio, and image, and so much more. What is multimedia studies at the UPOU? I've learned that the UPOU's multimedia study program is unique. It combines 4 layers of multimedia, and this is delivered fully online, which we can access through the My Portal. Here are the technical foundations that I've learned throughout this course. Digital text is stored using bits, where each character is represented by a numerical code, making text lightweight, accessible, easy to search and display in all devices. Digital image is a picture made out of pixel. The more pixel, the sharper and clearer the image is. Each pixels also has a value of color, and when combined, they created and form a whole image. Digital audio is a sound that is converted into numbers through sampling. The higher the sampling rate, the clearer the sound is. The sound waves are measured many times per second, and those measurements are stored as a data. Digital video is a sequence of images and frames that are shown quickly to create motion. Videos can also be compressed to reduce the size while keeping the quality. Authoring multimedia uses software tools without writing code, while programming multimedia involves writing code and uses apps such as Java and JavaScript to customize multimedia applications. In incorporating interactivity, hypertext and hypermedia are concepts that can help understand interactivity. Hypertext contain links to other text, while hypermedia include videos, audio, and graphics. This interactivity helps users to actively participate, navigate menus, and interact with content. In using and producing video and animation to tell a story, it involves crafting, editing, and organizing moving images. It also uses frame with flashing lights to trick the eye of the viewer. It also demonstrates ideas or engage viewers interactively. Using colors and using music. This means selecting colors and sounds intentionally to create moods, surroundings, and overall emotions. It highlights the true meaning and make the content more engaging and appealing for the audience. Reflecting on the challenges and growth. Adapting to this new setup is very hard for me at first. It is so overwhelming and hard to process all the new information. Time management is also a big problem. Calculating and allotting time is very hard when you are so bombarded with activities and deadlines. Independent learning is very hard to do. As a team player, I was used to having groups and interactions with humans, but this setup hinders me in doing so. I eventually overcome it by being active, like joining forums, chatting with classmates, and creating bond with them. Now I think I'm more responsible than before. I manage my time now and I'm getting used to this setup. How my understanding evolved. It evolved as I gradually connected my learnings to new concepts. This helped me to see the bigger picture more clearly and apply all my learnings with confidence. Here are some of my expectations and goals for the next half of this course. I hope that I can deepen my understanding in multimedia, and I'm looking forward to expanding my learning experience. The goal now is to gain all the knowledge that a BAM student should have. So at the end of this journey, I will be proud of myself that I did not just finish this course and this degree, but I truly understand the concepts and I can apply them in real life. Again, I am Julian Bulanadi, and this is my midterm reflection vlog.